Hi there. I'm just doing a quick demo of the Moog Taurus 3 bass pedals. These are basically a exact update of the original Taurus 1 pedals made from the mid 70s to the early 80s. And the demand was so popular that they decided to make 1,000 units around, I guess it was 2009. They decided to make 1,000 units, and as they were getting, they sold so quickly that they decided to make an additional 500. So 1,500 units made worldwide, and then they ceased production. This is number 809, so about the middle of the run, and I'll just give you a quick overview of what it can do. First of all, they're very solidly built, and when you connect them up, the power and all of the it's got MIDI, USB, there's a 1/4-inch output I'm using, and your power. And when you turn it on, you get a startup sequence and a bit of a light show. So here we go. There you go. It features a couple of wheels here that allow you, they have some rubber on them, so they offer some grip for your feet to control these parameters. You have some of the original buttons that were featured on the Taurus 1 pedals. I'll skip the first one for a second. You have the Taurus tuba and bass, and then you also have the glide, decay, and octave. And of course, glide allows you to sort of a portamento effect between the notes. Decay can be set for how long the note sustains, and the octave bumps it up an octave. So I'll put it up an octave and I'll demonstrate the keys. Just before I do that though, in the middle you have these bank and transpose buttons, which are new features for the Taurus 3, and they allow you to use the pedal board for controlling other keyboards and things like that. The original Taurus pedals featured a variable button, and on the Taurus 3s, it's called the Taurus 3 button. So it basically does the same thing. But I'm going to use the original Taurus sound because it's familiar, and I'm just going to go down all of the keys. So put the octave key on. Before I start, the cool thing is the whatever settings you have can be stored in memory, which was not possible on the original Taurus pedals. So that's an amazing thing. You can keep your favorite sounds. So I'll try to find some neat things in a minute or two, and just to give you an overview. But first, here's all the keys working. Now, I don't know if you can hear, there's a kind of a oscillation there in that sound. One of the important keys that you'll want to know is beat. So you hit beat, and that's going to give you some control over that by changing the mix between the two oscillators. So if you listen, you'll hear the difference. I can change some of those sounds by changing the cutoff. It'll go a little bit, you'll hear a bit of a wider sound. And resonance. Now the cool thing is you can change the octaves, so I can go up to the highest octave. Actually, if I hit the octave button, it goes. Anyways, I'm going to go over some of the other sounds. You have the tuba. You have something called a bass. course, the Taurus 3 settings. I'm going to see if I can find an arpeggiator setting. If you go up here, you can basically cycle through some of these all kinds of different sounds with the internal memory. I think you can store 50 sounds or so. But here's an arpeggio sound just as a demo. Hope this gives you an idea of what they can do. They're awesome. Anyway, thank you.